GPS satellites, unmanned drones, fucking laser sight, fucking laser sight, fucking laser sight, fucking laser sight.
Do you know what an artist and a sniper have in common? Details. Like when a touch of color is out of place. When a shadow does not match with its surroundings. Or when a shape is not where it is supposed to be. The only difference is the stakes. Mine are higher.
What are you doing in my swamp?
When you mix fuel, metal oxide, and metal powder in just the right way, it burns at 2,000 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to cut through nearly any barrier known to man.
This is Sparta!
Throw some C4 into the mix, and you've got one hell of a combination.
Hello there.